Hello everyone, my name's Nick and I'm an engineer. And today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to install mods for Kerbal Space Program. Now, as you all know, I do not have a stock install of Kerbal Space Program. So what I decided to do is that I made a video of the mods I had at the time and linked them in the description, and if I ever got more mods, I would add them to the description, add the name, give a brief description of what it is, and a link to the area where you can get it. Now, one of the things I didn't show was how to install these mods. Well, the first thing you're probably going to do is acquire a mod. Now, the two websites you're probably going to get mods the most from are either Curse, which is right here, which has an entire section dedicated to mods and crafts, as in different spaceships, or the Kerbal Space Program forums, which it shows, well, if you ask me, the forums is a bit more helpful. Like, it has, from my experience, the description, well, basically the forums usually have better pictures. That's literally the only reason why I go here is better pictures. Although it does, and plus there's also tutorial videos, and also can also show off some of the code and tutorial. Well, not code, but change logs and some tutorials, but not all of them have it. So what we're going to do is today we're going to be installing laser docking cam. Now, when it comes to Kerbal Space Program and forums, usually there will be links to other websites, like some file sharing websites where you can get them. Meanwhile, on Curse, you click download now, wait a couple seconds, and then you have your mod. So I'm going to start. I'm going to open up Laser Docking Cam because I already installed it off camera. Well, downloaded it, not installed it. And what we're going to do is that we're going to go here, where I'll have some information. We're going to go into game data, and we're going to go away until you find something that looks sort of like this. When you see this, go back a page, and then, well, and then you have the file you need. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to go and put this in Kerbal Space Program. Now, if you downloaded it from the official Kerbal Space Program website, you should already know where you put it. However, if you download it from Steam, then you're gonna have to. Then you may have a slightly harder time, but not that much harder. What you're gonna do is that if you have the Steam version, you're gonna go to your library, right-click on Kerbal Space Program, go to Properties, Local Files, browse local files, and now you're at your files for Kerbal Space Program. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to head to our game data. Now, if you have a completely stock install, the only two files that should be here are Squad and NASA Mission. Squad has basically all the official Kerbal Space Program stuff, and the NASA Mission basically has everything from the ARM update, or 2.23.5. KW Rocketry is in here because it's a mod that I installed. Anyway, so what we're going to do, we're going to head back to Laser Docking Cam, right-click on this file called ROMVer, copy, go to Game Data for Kerbal Space Program, and we're going to paste. And now we have ROMVer installed. Well, Laser Docking Cam. And that's how you install mod. Now, I'm also going to show off some other things. Like, I'm going to show off next how to install flags. Well, first of all, you're going to either receive one or create one. Now, whatever of those two options you pick, make sure that its dimensions are right, because it has to be a certain dimension, otherwise it won't work. It must have a height of 160 and a width of 256 pixels. So what you're going to do, once you have your flag, you're going to copy the file in. You're going to go to the game data, squad, flags, and right here we have all the official flags for Kerbal Space Program. That doesn't include the companies, except for this one. This is my own flag. It was something I made really quick. Shut up. Anyway, and that's really it. It's very simple to put a flag in. Create one, meh. Anyway, I'm also going to show you how to install crafts and sub-assemblies. Now, to install crafts, what you're going to do is that you're going to go down to ships, and you'll have two options, SPH or VAB. If it's built in the space plane hangar, go here. If it was built in the VAB, go here. Anyway, and then you can right-click, paste your stuff here. Now, if you're going to be installing sub-assemblies, then what you're going to have to do is that you're going to go saves, pick the save file you're going to be using. Oh, by the way, if you wanted to make it to where you want to put a ship in there but it's not stock, you can go here and follow the same route. And then you're going to go, then you can go sub-assemblies, which is where all of your sub-assemblies should hopefully be. And that's really it. That is how to install mods and flags and different ships and sub-assemblies. My name's Nick. I'm an engineer. Signing off.